Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة التوبة: والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه وأعد لهم جنات تجري تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم. Translation: And the first forerunners to embrace Islam among the Muhajirin who came from Mecca to Medina, and their supporters Ansar, locals of Medina who aided Muhajirin, and those who followed them in faith and doing good, Allah is pleased with them and they are pleased with Him. He has made for them Jannah, paradise gardens under which canals flow. They will live in there forever. That is the greatest achievement, a supreme success. In the previous ayah, we studied about the true believers among the Bedouins, among the villagers of Arab. And after this, in these ayah, the forerunners to embrace Islam are mentioned. And these are those who are the Muhajirin and the Ansar, meaning those people who came from Mecca to Medina, and those who supported the Muhajirin in Medina. They are known as Ansar. And these are the two groups that were the forerunners to embrace Islam. And the scholars have said different opinions about these Sabiqun al-Awwalun. Some say that these are the true believers who are before the migration. And before migration, some of the Muslims were in Mecca and some were in Medina, and they are mentioned here. Some say that those believers who prayed towards both the Qiblas, meaning the Kaaba and Baitul Muqaddas. Some say that the believers till the time of the Battle of Badr are among the Sabiqun al-Awwalun mentioned here. Some scholars say that these Sabiqun al-Awwalun are those believers who are till the time of the Sulh Hudaybiyah or the peace treaty of Hudaybiyah. And some other have even different opinions. However, these people are the true successful people who gets the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are pleased with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will live in the eternal gardens of Jannah, and they will live there forever. Indeed, this is the greatest achievement and a supreme success. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and make us among the people who get this greatest achievement and the supreme success. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.